Y'all, welcome back to Dad Simply Cooking, and it's Sunday. And around here, Sunday supper is something special. Okay, it doesn't have to be fancy. It doesn't have to be expensive. It doesn't have to be store bought or pick up or takeout. There is something special about sitting down after a long, tired week as we prepare for another long, hot, tired week about sitting down on Sunday around the table with family and people you love. So tonight we're making one of those classic comfort dishes, ones that the children will love, the ones that will be nostalgic for you that you'll love because it's going to taste good either. We're going to be making some good old-fashioned chicken legs, keeping it simple and easy. We're going to be making some of this rice out of a bag, plain and simple, and even more plain and simple, we're going to be making green beans to go with it. Oh, grab a drink, grab a chair, pull it on up, and let's start cooking. We're going to follow the back of the recipe for the rice. We're going to put the green beans in a bowl and just boil them with some butter and salt and pepper. The chicken legs, they have been brining for the last 24 hours. I set them in water with salt, brined them. Now, we're going to boil them to start with, and then season them and everything else and put them and finish them up on the grill. The point for boiling chicken legs is I want to make sure they're cooked all the way through and there's no raw meat. And I was told, I don't know how true this is, and we're going to find out tonight. We're going to test the theory. Somebody said they're juicier and better if you boil them first and then cook them on the grill. So we're going to put that to the test today. I got a pack of Tyson chicken drumsticks. They're thick, they're good, they're big. It's a pretty good deal. I mean, chicken legs you can't go wrong with. The price of chicken legs and the amount you get, I mean, $5 for like 10 or 12 of them. Hey, we'll have at it. Also, like I said, I got some salt, some pepper in here, and we can add some more seasoning. We're just going to boil these down to start with. My Sunday night dinner is very simple and easy. It's not hard, and it's definitely not going to break the bank. $1.72, 89 cents, and the chicken was $5 some. So, I mean, feeding all of us for under $10. So you can't really beat that at all right there. Legs, what I plan on doing is I'm going to use some of this Frank's sweet chili sauce on some of them, and then just a traditional Great Value barbecue sauce that I had sitting in the fridge. I had that sweet chili one for a while. I do like the way it tastes. Chicken legs, I think it will go perfect with. So you can do different variations of different types of chicken. So, if you want to do a ranch one, do a ranch one. If you want to do a chicken, just grill it, whatever. All right. Our rice water was boiling, so I added my rice in. I'm going to put my rice on the stove and just let it keep on warm. Beans, I did add butter, salt, my butter, salt, and pepper. So with my chicken legs, I'm going to go ahead and pull them on out. They're cooked. We can finish them off on the grill, okay? So with our chicken legs, we're going to let them cool down for a second. And then I'm going to get them coated, seasoned for the grill. All right, so I got some honey mustard. Coat them in this honey mustard. All right, we're in the backyard. Our charcoal is ready to go. Grill is nice and hot. Let's go put this chicken on the grill. So I'm going to start with the seasoned side down. That way I can grab my seasoning and season the opposite side. So while these are on the grill, if you want to, you can get your barbecue sauce and go ahead and barbecue them. So I got them barbecued up. Cover them a little bit. I got them flipped. Now I'm just gonna season or coat this side. Also, these back three are actually gonna be the sweet chili. I have transferred the majority over to the cooler side. Those are the chili still. I have two still on this side. Just trying to get that finished off. Okay, so we have finished. And look at this. Dad's Sunday dinner. Doesn't have to be fancy. It doesn't have to be expensive. Under $10 right here. And we got more food. So if I want to pack some for lunch, stuff like that. Under $10. So on this plate, I have the spicy chicken that I did with the sweet Asian sauce. Or the sweet chili sauce or whatever. It's done. It's juicy. And it's good. Now sweet chili sauce. Yummy. So y'all, if you love this video, if you like this video, if you stayed until the end, if you could do me a huge favor, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what your family Sunday dinner is, what your go-to is. If you went to your in-laws or grandparents' house or whatever else. I hope you have a fantastic week. I hope it's cool. I pray that it's cool for y'all. Hope it's cool for us. Catch you in the next one. Go pull up a chair, eat with your families. Let them know you love them. And we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Still remember that hospital room, shaky hands and a baby blue. Nurse said, "Dad, go hold your son." Man, I swear my whole world spun. So hold him a little longer, laugh a little louder, take another picture even if their eyes are low.